There's no guarantee that this will happen in our lifetime, but if it does, it will be the most interesting event. This is Beetlejuice. Wait. Manuel! Wrong fucking Beetlejuice, you imbecile!
Honestly, what the fuck do I pay you for?
I'm sure we've all heard of this before, but this is Betelgeuse. It's a red supergiant star, and it's one of the biggest stars we know of. If Betelgeuse were to replace the Sun, its surface would extend far beyond the orbit of Jupiter. And scientists have been studying this star for a long time. It is near the end of its life, and it's showing signs that it is getting ready to go supernova. Now, I need to stress, when scientists say that soon a star will go supernova, soon in astronomical terms can be as long as 1 million years. But we don't know when it's going to happen. In fact, for all we know, it could have exploded already, and the light just hasn't reached us yet. But when it does explode, it's going to be magnificent. It will become the brightest object in the night sky, potentially outshining even the full moon. Because when stars explode, they become the brightest objects in the entire universe, outshining all the other stars in its parent galaxy. But I'm sure there's going to be people worrying about Betelgeuse. It's too far away to do any damage to us. It is 650 light years away from Earth, so we will be perfectly safe here when it does explode. And it will be the nearest supernova to Earth in modern times, which means we can study it. We'll be able to observe exactly what's happening as the star explodes. We might even be able to observe what is happening. Does Betelgeuse become a neutron star, or does it become a black hole? And like with all supernovas, they will always leave behind a beautiful nebula, which will gradually get bigger as time goes on, which we will be able to observe directly ourselves. The nebula left over from the explosion could potentially give the Orion Nebula a run for its money. And secondly, the constellation of Orion will be forever changed. In the top left, we see Betelgeuse shining bright red. When it does explode, it will cease to exist, and the constellation will be changed forever.